Morning students. So last class we discussed about pH scale. Now again to be continue same topic. So here how we can identify the acids, bases and salts by using a pH scale. Now I draw a pH scale. So what is the range of pH scale? 0 to 14. So this value 0 to 14 can be divided into 3 parts. Then we can identify the acid, bases and salts. Now check it. Okay. So here the pH value 0 to 7 is there. What are they? That means if pH value is 0 to 7 is there, we consider as acids. Next, if pH value exactly 7 is there, we consider as salts. If pH value 7 to 14 is there, we consider as base. That means alkalis. So we know that what is the pH value of acids? 0 to 7. What is the pH value of salts? Equal to 7. What is the pH value of bases? pH equal to 7 to 14. So this is the identification of acids, salts, bases by using pH scale. Then second one, we can identify the strong acids, weak acids, strong base, weak base by using a pH scale. if the pH value 0 to 3.5 is there, it is strong acid or weak acid. We can check it. pH value that means 0 to 3.5 is there, we consider as strong acids. If the pH value 3.5 to 7 is there, we consider as weak acids. Next, if the pH value 7 to 10.5 is there, we consider as weak bases. Next, if pH value 10.5 to 14 is there, we consider as strong bases. So we can identify the strong acids, weak bases, strong bases by using a pH scale. So if pH value 0 to 3.5 is there, we consider strong acids. If pH value 3.5 to 7 is there, we consider as weak acids. If pH value 7 to 10.5 is there, we consider as weak bases. If pH value 10.5 to 14 is there, we consider as strong bases. Now, again, how you can identify the acidic nature and basic nature by using pH scale? What happens? pH value increases and decreases, basic nature and acidic nature we can identify by using this scale. Now observe, if now observe clearly, the pH value increases 0 to 7, what happens? Acidic nature. If the pH value increases 0 to 7, acidic nature is decreases. Very important, if pH value changes 0 to 7, acidic nature is decreases. If in second cases, if pH value decreases from 7 to 0, what happens? Acidic nature. If pH value decreases from 7 to 0, acidic nature is increases. Next, if pH value changes 7 to 14, what happens? Basic nature. If pH value changes 7 to 14, basic nature increases. Next, if pH value decreases from 14 to 7, 14 to 7, what happens? Basic nature. If pH value decreases 14 to 7, basic nature is decreases. So here what are the reason why acidic nature decreases whenever pH value changes 0 to 7? Because H plus ion concentration decreases, OH minus ions increases. Again, if pH value changes 7 to 14, more basic nature, because less H plus ion concentration, more OH minus ion concentration. That's why pH value increases, basic nature decreases. So here also what happens, pH value changes 7 to 0, acidic nature increases because H plus ion concentration increases, OH minus ions decreases. Here what happens, pH value changes 14 to 7, basic nature decreases because H plus ions increases, OH minus ions decreases. Next, how you can show the H plus ions increases, decreases as well as OH minus ions increases and decreases according to pH scale, we can identify. If pH value changes 0 to 7, what happens? H plus ion concentration. If pH value changes 0 to 7, H plus ion concentration decreases. Means second cases, what happens if pH value changes 7 to 0? H plus ion concentration decreases or increases. If pH value decreases from 7 to 0, H plus ion concentration increases. Next, what happens? OH minus ion concentration. If pH value changes 7 to 14. If pH value changes 7 to 14, OH minus ion concentration increases. Next, second cases. What happens if pH value decreases from 14 to 7? If pH value decreases 14 to 7, OH minus ions decreases. That means OH minus ion concentration decreases. What are the reasons? Here, if pH value increases from 0 to 7, H plus ion concentration decreases because OH minus ions increases, H plus ions decreases. Here next, if pH value 7 to 14 is there, OH minus ion concentration increases because here H plus ions decreases, OH minus ions increases. Next, here what happens? pH value changes 7 to 0. H plus ions concentration increases, OH minus ion concentration decreases. Next, what happens if pH value changes 14 to 7? OH minus ion concentration, H plus ion concentration. If pH value changes 14 to 7, OH minus ion concentration decreases, H plus ion concentration increases. So this is about pH scale. So I will explain some questions based on the pH scale. Question 1. There are 5 substances A, B, C, D under E. Its pH value is 4, 1, 7, 12, 6. Okay, you can take 8. Then identify the nature of substance. So this is our question. What is that question? There are 5 substances A, B, C, D and E. Its pH value is 4, 1, 7, 12, 8. Then identify the nature of the substance. According to scale, we can identify the nature of the substance. If here A substance pH value is 4, B substance pH value is 1, C substance pH value is 7, D substance pH value is 12, E substance value is 8. Here A substance pH value is how much is there? 4 is there. B substance value how much is there? 1. But we know that according to scale, when we compare these two values, both are acid pH value. Now here pH value decreases, strength of acid increases. That's why when compare A and B, B value is less. That's why it is strong acid. It is weak acid. Next, another one. So here pH value 7 is there, we can consider directly neutral. Next, here 8 and 2 we consider as basic substance pH value. Now here we know that if pH value increases 7 to 14, basic strength also increases. So here pH value is less is there, we consider as weak bases. pH value more is there, we consider as strong base. So here pH value 12 is there, that's why it considered as strong base. If pH value 8 is there, weak base. This is we can identify easily according to pH scale. Next, another question. If two substances having pH value one under 2.5, then identify the strong acidic nature substance, according to pH scale. We know that if pH value very less is there, we consider as more acidic nature. If pH value is increases, less acidic nature. So here the pH value changes 1 to 2.5. So which one has less pH value? That is more acidic nature. So a substance has pH value 1, it has more acidic nature. A substance has pH value 2.5, it has weak acidic nature. So by using pH scale we can identify this. Like so next class we discuss about remaining topic. Thank you.